What's up, George's here. I just got what you call my oddities collection. These I can't remember if they were actual Swiss or the wannabe type. Right here is like a toothpick. Other side freezers. Okay, so-called lucky rabbit's foot. Shit, rabbit have four. Who knows uh, how unlucky the rabbit had because he had four. Got like another with a couple more. So I got this one. It was like a fork, bottle opener, spoon, and knife. So I got this keychain from Mozart Shell. It has like a knife. I think it's like tweezers or something. I think a ball or something. Another keychain from a key that opens up to a knife. Like the two small ones. I think it's like a knife, scissors, and a file. Both of them. I got this on a keychain. Who knows what this one is? Knife, bottle opener. This is like the Ozark Shells version of them. Then I got Kingsman. Of course, you see the pliers. Hang on a second. There's a handle, knife blade. Can opener, bottle opener. Then that and got these different types to use on them. This is what was it again? King Smack or King Smacks. I got this multi-tool here, a rubber tack, I got another one here. This one I can't remember exactly what brand it is, but I just thought I might share that with you. Y'all have a good night.